Thank you for joining this demo. This is the second part of the quoting process. So once we created the quote request, we can see that for each service that contains this quote request, we have the different providers. And the prices for them are initially set as 0. But the next step in the workflow is to send this quote request to the providers. By executing this section, we can select who are the people that will receive the quote request for each of the providers. So we send the quote request details to all of these people that belong to the specific providers. So now, because I'm simulating that I am one of the providers, and in this case, I get this email requesting information for prices, and we have this template attached. That is the one that the providers have to download, and they'll need to provide the template with some specific information. So I'll put on some random numbers in here since it is a demo. Okay, here we go. And we will save this. Then I will reply to this email. Okay. And say our prices are in the file. So now I'm going to look for that file, and it's this one here. Then we will send the email. So what the application is going to do is going to receive that email. And as soon as the email is received, it's going to update this table right here. Because I simulated that I'm a person from Verizon, we will see the new prices in this column right here. So I'm going to refresh to see if this has happened. Yes, as you can see, all the prices I put on that file are now in the quote request record. So the idea is that all the providers are going to reply to those emails. And once we go to all the prices, the workflow will continue. When someone from Zenture says that all the quotes were received, then they basically could request a change of the status. And these prices are sent to the clients. And that's it. Okay. And that concludes this demo of the second part of the quoting process. And thanks for watching.